Que pasa raza? What was I telling you? It was 82 degrees the other day. You seen how sunny it was in Colorado. And now look, we got snow. It's 32 degrees here in Colorado. And you know what? Luckily I finished the enclosure for the chickens. And I'm going to show you what we did over here and why we do things. And another thing that is always consistent about Colorado's weather is that we get one last snow, one last frost right before Mother's Day. And this year did not disappoint. Now I'm going to show you the frost covering, the broken down greenhouses that we buy every year. And you know, this one was snow protected, but it wasn't wind protected, and the wind tore it up this year. 80-mile-per-hour winds were going on in the winter. No snow. And finally, this is what the second snow sighting here in the foothills. Now in the mountains, they're always receiving snow. So let's go ahead and check out what's going on over here. Well, we finally got this area sealed off so the chickens can have their own area. Now the enclosure was the reason why we got that wood chips. And the wood chips are going to be over 5 feet tall, and the chicken manure is going to help to make this into compost. So we put our poles up, we put our chicken wire up, and the baby chickens that I have just got will be coming in here after this last frost. And they should be big enough to stay warm in this type of temperature. Now, we always have an extra shelter. As you can see, Athena's in there. She's hiding over there in the corner laughing at me. Are you staying warm, girl? And then they lay their eggs in there and they sleep in here. And that chicken coop's pretty big. And this is solar. So this will go up and down by the solar energy. And it's timed from dusk to dawn. So here's their chicken coop. And the baby chickens will be coming in 2 days to stay in here. Maddie's getting a new home. We have the pond. Cacti never needs water. We're in drought. So that's why the snow is so important. Always growing here at La Casa de Blan. So this is one of the greenhouses that have broken. I just got some PVC piping, did the little hoops, and then tied it down. Then I added the greenhouse cover, and I also have frost cover, and I also have straw. So let's check it out. As you can see, the straw's over there. And then I got the frost cover on top, and then the greenhouse cover. Well, that was just a quick video on how we protect from frost and snow, especially right before Mother's Day. And that's when we start planting here in Colorado. thank you guys for coming along with me. And fuego!